Hi, my name is Geffen Moore. I'm a sophomore visual artist and I'm from Teaneck, New Jersey.
Hi, my name's Sam D'Amico. I'm a sophomore music major and I'm from Portland, Maine.
Sam, why isn't this like your parents' high school?
Well, Walnut Hill's not like my parents' high school because there are so many different cultures and countries represented in our community. And at my parents' school, it was very everyone looked the same and was from the same place, so it's nice getting to meet so many people from different places.
Yeah, for sure. My parents' high school was just like their local town high school, and everyone was from the same place, grew up with each other. But here at Walnut Hill, everyone comes from so many different places, so many different countries. There's so many languages and new things to learn about people.
Come to the Walnut Hill open house on October 20th
and
see what it's like to be a walnut.